Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm on my front yard and I have a little section of grass on my side of a driveway, and from couple days I have noticed I have a lot of brown spots, which means my grass is drying, and when I checked, the reason was drying and not getting enough water. My sprinklers runs every day for maybe like 20-30 days. Sometimes I manually turns on, but still not. I'll show you what kind of sprinklers I have. I have these like a Hunter brand sprinklers. They're like a fan. They're water savers. They're saving a lot of water, but at this time with the saving water, I'm also trying to save my grass. So I decided to change those sprinkler heads. I have done before where I have changed my sprinklers. It cost me a lot because this kind of sprinklers, if I have to move, it's gonna cost me about like at least minimum $5 per sprinklers. But and this time I have ordered only those heads, and I'm gonna change only heads like for short distance. I have done one. I show you all gonna be like the same. There's two. In the meantime, I have got from my box where they were sitting, and I think they're like wasting too much water. Like this one throwing too much water, this one throwing too much water, and that's the one I have replaced. So most of sprinklers head I bought it like this, a little bit longer distance. I showed you what I mean. Then we're gonna replace. I showed you how I replace these one, and then we will adjust. So here is the one I have already. I have replaced one Hunter brand. Then I bought those universal sprinkler head from Amazon. They cost me like $25, but the tax and everything, they're $32. It's like way cheaper. If you buy from local stores, you're gonna be paying almost $2 per piece. It comes with the filters. These one, they say like a 4 feet throw. These one 10 feet, 15 and 17 feet. But they're all are short distance. We can manage the radius like 0 degree to 360 degree. Now let's change those sprinkler heads, and then we will adjust. I'm gonna change this one first. I'll show you how I change. We're gonna follow the same steps to all. There's no water on right now. I'm gonna pick this one up, hold it counterclockwise. I'm gonna spin it. This head is off. I'm gonna use filter. The one came with the new one, and we're gonna put this one on. That's all you have to do to change head, and we will adjust later the pattern like a 360 degree. You can go 0 degree to 360 degree area. This one is the longest one. They're gonna throw further. This is the corner area, so it'll be okay here. One, we're gonna change all. We're gonna follow same step. So I have replaced all the sprinkler head. Which one? All the ones are here. Those are I removed, and these one are left. They all are same, but with the color, the difference is only the way we talked earlier. The distance, how far they're gonna go. These one is the short distance. The more distance gonna cover. I have installed already because I installed this one earlier to test. It shows like it can throw to 4 feet, but no, I doubt it. If you want to cover area like you have like from one end to other end like about 5 feet, get the one shows like 10 feet. Well, still we're gonna check. I have installed all like high distance. So now we gotta figure out how we gonna adjust. There's only two things you can adjust. You can adjust the radius, how much area you're gonna cover, 0 to 360 degree, and distance. just in case, like say you bought 10 feet distance sprinkler head, but you have only 8 feet, how you gonna adjust? And that case, I will say good luck. You're not gonna be able to adjust that much. I have only this screws on the top, but they don't make a big difference. They don't distance doesn't work better. Like you can adjust this screw, there's another one at the inside, but distance wise they don't change nothing. They will change minor. For the radius, as you can see, you have a little like angle here. You can hold from the bottom and spin the top like this, clockwise and counterclockwise. The distance will be changed. So now we're gonna turn on those sprinklers and we're gonna adjust those. This one, the one goes to 10 feet. You can see it's a little high. You can adjust. Right now it's not covering that much area. Just like that. More like that. You wanna do less. To change the direction right now, it's like 180 degrees. That's all I need. I cannot change any, but you can tight from here, or I'm gonna hold shafts and spin it like this. And I can also lower the distance if I want. I'm already finished installing sprinkler heads and adjusting. Radius is not a big deal. It's really easy. And distance is one. You can adjust the distance not that much, as I talked earlier. So I explained you if I missed. So that's the sprinkler head. There's a screw in the bottom and screw at the out. If you spin this screw counterclockwise, the screw will come out, extended outside, which one this screw will be tight and it's gonna stop water going through the sprinkler. So basically, if you want to change distance, throw distance, then you have to spin this screw, the one in the middle, counterclockwise, or you can just tie this screw, and this screw has to be sticking out more for lower distance. If you spin clockwise, the screw will go in and your distance will go more further. So now let's move to the other. We're going to turn on and test. So I have installed all the sprinkler heads and adjusted as much as I can do as a distance wise and a radius. So most of sprinklers are running at 180 degree. Only couple, like on the corner, is only 90 degree. I'm going to show you. This one is green one. It's called a 4-van. I don't know what that means. It says a 4-V-A-N. And they say throw distance is like 4 feet. And you can adjust for 360 degree. From here to the other end is like 8 feet area. So I believe this one, if you have a 2 on the both sides, they not gonna be perfectly, but they go around 4 feet. And here is the red one, is the next size. They say 10 feet. If you have a 8 feet or 10 feet area, I think you need 10 van, like 10 feet distance, short distance, 10 feet. This one again, 4 feet. And this one, you can see, is a little bit throwing water high. Let me see, like a black one. It's a 15 van. They say you're gonna throw water until 15 feet. And the gray one was like 17 feet. It was wasting too much water, so I have to remove all the gray one. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with a new topic.